We are going to perform second activity, that is light dependent resistor, LDR. LDR stands for light dependent resistor, which is on page number 137. The observation column, certain changes are to be made. In place of R, it is cancel and write distance. In place of D, cancel and write I in milliampere. In place of D square, write ampere. In place of I by D square, write R is equal to V by I. And on top you write V is equal to 6 volts. Okay, now the apparatus consists of an LDR. This is a light dependent resistor. The resistor depends upon the light. Okay, so this is connected to a battery of power supply 6 volts. Positive of this goes to the positive of a milliampere ammeter, and the negative goes to the negative of the milliammeter. The milliammeter has got least count is equal to 0.2. Each division is equal to 0.2. So 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.2, 1.4 like that. Now how to take the reading? You take this is a torch. We are going to vary the distance. We are going to move this torch on the scale by 2 centimeter and take the reading on the milliammeter. So first I will keep it at 2 centimeter. You can see here 2 centimeter. यहाँ पर 2 centimeter दिख रहा है, clear है? Okay. 2 centimeter रखा and I switched on this battery. इसको on किया. Now you note down the reading shown in the milliammeter. What is the reading shown for 2 centimeter? You can see for 2 centimeter it is showing 2 milliampere. So I will write here for 2 centimeter distance this current shown is 2 milliampere. Now next reading, I move this and keep it on 4 centimeter. You can see 4. The edge of the battery, the torch should be touching 4. So for 4, it is showing, the milliampere is showing 1.8. You can see 1.8. So for 4, distance 4, it is showing 1.8. Now I again move this to 6. You can see 6 there. For 6, it is showing 1.6. Can you see? 1.6. The reading shown is 1.6. So I will write here for 4 it is 1.6. Now again I move this to 8. Move this slowly to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. It is showing, just see, for 8 no? For 8 it is showing, just a minute. For 8 it is showing 1.2. Can you see? So for 8 it is showing 1.2. Now next I move this to 10. I move this to 10 centimeter. Here it is kept on 10 centimeter. Can you all see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So I kept this on 10 centimeter. On 10 centimeter it is showing 1 milliampere. So for 10 it is showing 1 milliampere. Now I move this to 12. When I move this to 12, what is the reading shown? It is shown as 0.8. See, it is showing 0.8. It is crossed. Yeah, it is showing 0.8. So for 12, it is showing 0.8. Then I increase this to 14. A distance I increase this to 14. When I increase this to 14, this is showing 0.6. Can you see? 0.6. So for reading 14, this is showing 0.6. Now I increase it to 16. When I bring it on 16, the reading shown is 0.4. Can you see? It has crossed. It is more than 0.4, less than 0.6. So the reading for 16 is 0.4. Now these many readings are sufficient. Now what you have to do is find out, convert it into ampere. That is, this is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 3, and so on. So all this you have to just multiply by 10 raised to minus 3, which will give you the reading in ampere. What we are doing here? Converting milliampere to ampere by multiplying by 10 raised to minus 3. Then we have to find out R, resistance. We have to find out which is equal to V upon I. What is V? V is 6 volts here. यहाँ पे 6 है and upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. It will be like this. See the calculation I will show you in rough. It will be 6 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So what it will become? 6 into 1000 upon 2. So it will become 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 3000. सो हर एक कैलकुलेशन ऐसा करो तो पहला वाला रीडिंग जो आया वो आया 3000. तो ज़्यादा कैलकुलेशन करने का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, ऐसा कैलकुलेशन करो सिंपल. नेक्स्ट क्या करोगे? 6 अपॉन 1.8 इंटू 10 रेज टू माइनस 3. ऐसा करते जाओ एंड यू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ आर ईयर. ओके, सारे के सारे आर के वैल्यू, सारे के सारे एम्पियर्स लिखो, रीडिंग इन एम्पियर्स, and find out all the resistance. And then there is no need of plotting this graph का ज़रूरत नहीं है. only thing you have to write, ये first conclusion का ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, only the conclusion which I have underlined, बस उतना ही लिखना है, पूरा भी नहीं लिखना है. the graph of R वो भी नहीं लिखना है. you just have to write, as the intensity of light decreases the resistance of LDR increases. so just stick this here. So this is the, just underline the result. That is all you have to do, nothing else. So बस इतना calculation तुम लोगों को करना पड़ेगा. I hope everybody has understood. Once more I will show the arrangement. This arrangement consists of LDR, milliammeter, scale and a torch. बस इतना ही सही है और कुछ भी नहीं है. This is all. Is that clear? Okay.